Hello YouTube, I'm back. This is how my hair is looking. I came before you earlier, maybe between 11 or 12 earlier today. Today is Saturday, May 10th, and I went out and then it started to rain a little bit, so it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, I believe, right now. 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. This is how the back's looking. All my little curls that I had, they fell down, but that's fine. But I'm just coming to show you what I do at night. And I'm just going to kind of part a section right here. And clip it off. Okay, so this is how the section look. I just kind of parted it from here to here. Don't know if it's straight or not. And like I said earlier, I'm going to use these. I'm going to attempt to use them. I have to get more practice with these, because sometimes they don't stay in my head. So now I'm going to make another part. And clip it off. And then I'm going to take this little section right here. And I'm going to add those rollers. Alright, so don't get on me too bad, because some of the hair is spilling over. Like I say, I have to practice to get better at that. But I'm gonna take this dimmer brush and just start wrapping it. And I got a brush to try to help lay it down. I'm just showing you what I'm doing at night. It may not look that good to you, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing, what I do. And because it doesn't lay down sometimes for me, I might have to get a firmer brush. But the brush sometimes will help lay it down. If you're having problems getting it to lay, a real firm brush. Alright, I got a little firmer brush. That seems to help, because that other brush was kind of soft. Like I said, I'm not the best with these rollers. I'm trying to get better, get more and more practice so I can get better with them. But I put about 6 or 7 in the top, and I just wrapped it around. And so I'm going to add this to my hair. for a little sheen. And then I'm going to put these other wraps on. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but for me, I try to put a scarf on to lay my hair down. And it will not stay at night sometimes. To lay my edges and stuff, like I've heard people say, put a scarf on your head. And this is not the right one. I bought these from Sally's. One is like mesh. And the band is wider on this one. So I can get it on my head now. That's much better than that other one I just had. It would not go on. But anyway, I don't know if anybody else is like me. I don't know if I just sleep wild or what. But I could put a scarf on to try to lay down my edges. And by the morning, it is off of my head. Now these stay on. But if I try to put a silk scarf on my head to lay down the edges at night, it will not stay on. And sometimes these will slip off. So hopefully they'll stay on tonight when I sleep. And I do have a satin pillowcase. I bought it from Walmart. It was in the hair section that I sleep on. So if it does come off at night, it won't harm my hair. It won't break. But that's how it's looking. Like I said, with practice, I will get better. If the rollers look messy to you, well, with practice, like with anything, you will get better. So I don't do it often because it looks messy, but you have to keep trying something. That's the only way you're going to get better. But anyway, so that's what I do for my night routine. So in the morning, I'll try to come and show you how it looks when I unwrap it in the morning. So I'm just going to put this on my head. And I'm getting ready for bed. I know I told you it's about 6 or 7 in the evening. I don't have anywhere else to go. I may do some cleaning around the house and chill and then go to bed. So that's it for my Saturday. I enjoyed my day so far. So stay tuned for the next day. Hello YouTube. It is Sunday, May 12th, Mother's Day. So I'm going to take my hair down now, and I just wanted y'all to see it. These did stay on last night. So I'm going to take the rollers out. I'm getting ready to spray my hair with this. Turn around and let y'all see the back. But it turned out good. But as the days go on and I wrap it, I know it'll get straighter and straighter. So when that happens in the morning, I'll probably put some Caruso rollers in to give it some more curl, and then wrap it. Or maybe put them in at night, the Carusos, for a few minutes and then wrap it. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I know over time as I continue to wrap it, just gets straight and limp. It doesn't have like a curl or anything to it, and I kind of don't like when it gets like that. I do want a bend or a curl to the hair at least. And I know you have to train your hair too to eventually keep that shape. I don't wrap it enough. But I'm going to turn around and let you all see the back. I don't know how the back looks because I haven't looked. And that's the side. It kind of looks funny here. And then this is the other side in the front. But that's all I do at night to maintain my flat iron hair. Like I said, over time as I wrap it, it does get straighter and straighter. And I don't like that. I kind of want to bend to my hair. So if I see it doing that, I either may roll it up at night and then in the morning wrap it and do what I need to do. Get in the shower, get ready, and then unwrap it. So we'll see. Or I may just do some Carusos at night and then wrap it up. I don't know. I've never tried the Carusos at night and then wrap it and then unwrap it again in the morning. Never tried it. So not sure how that works, but I can try. But that's it for this look. I am going to get the mirror so I can see the back of my hair. But the back of it, it looks good. I really like it, so it looks good. So I've maintained this look for about a week. I did it on Saturday, so it may not be quite a week. I may shampoo it on Thursday or Friday. Just depends on if I have enough time. And I may do another updo. I have to alternate weeks, because I know I used to do that when I would go to my hairstylist. She would say 1 week up, 1 week down, and I'm going to see if that helps my hair to start growing back. Because like I said earlier, if you check out my video from 3 years ago, my hair, it's always been short in the front, but it was here. And now it's up here. And this was much longer. I think all of this was the same length to about right here. And I was like, wow. So it does pay off to take pictures so you can see the difference. And if I can find a picture, I try to do a side by comparison. But it was much longer, so I don't know what I did wrong. I think I've just been putting my hair up too much, and it just started to break, and I know better. So I'm gonna go back to doing that and more protective styles or wigs or whatever, because sometimes I don't want to do nothing to my hair. But yeah, that's it for this. And I may add a little edge control over here, but that's it. And I add this only because it is humid outside, because it's been raining all night here. And just so my hair won't freeze up, I will use this Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss Shine and Mist. Just a little bit, just to keep my hair from falling and getting frizzy. So I thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. And I thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.